Hello again, it's Stuart Brunger, Business Development Director for Maxoptra. Many of you are wondering why it's me who's doing these videos, and probably just explain the reason for that is I was the person who demanded that Maxoptra should be easy to use, so that at least I could demonstrate it. And now this has come back to me as a challenge to show you how to use it. I'm actually learning as I go. Hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm using some new software to produce these, and so a bit like you, I'm learning something new, and hopefully it'll put me in good stead for the future. So, how to use the drag and drop functionality in Maxoptra. For this, I've unscheduled all my orders because I want to show you some of the capabilities of the drag and drop. But you can perfectly use these even when the plan has been made in Maxoptra. So I'm zooming in now, and I'm doing that by using the scroll wheel on my mouse, and I can start dragging and dropping very easily. I can click on an order, such as this one here. You see, when I do this, over here it says I've clicked one order in one location, and its total weight is 405 kilograms. So, you know, it's quite a sizable order. It's actually half of one of my vehicles, because my vehicles, as you recall, have a capacity of 1,000 kilos. So if I want to move that to a vehicle, all I need to do is drag it up, place it on the vehicle for the first order. Then what I can do, if I want to add more orders, I can click on them, and I can say, okay, this order is 98 kilos, and I can simply drag it on this way. Or I might click on an order such as this one, says 38 kilos. I can see here, I've now loaded 504 kilos. I've got 1,000 kilos capacity. So I can add this order, and I'm going to do it a different way this time. I'm going to drag it up to here and place it directly on the route. Thus. So now I've got 542 kilos. Another way, I'm loading vehicle 1. Let me select this order here. 86 kilos, I can still fit that on. If I actually right click, I can then select vehicle 1 and add it that way. So it's very, very simple. If I want to take an order off, I can drag it from here over to here in that way. I can actually right click again and unallocate the order. So you can see it's very, very easy to move orders about. As I'm doing this, Maxoptra is telling me the difference in price. So let's see what that looks like when we've got a route that's been calculated. So I'm just pressing on the green Run Plan button there. I'm saying it's going to modify what I've done already. Yes, I'm happy with that. And just letting it calculate this route now. As I said before, it takes about a minute to automatically plan about 100 orders. So again, using that functionality, I can click on an order, 212 kilos. So that could go on this vehicle, for example. And for whatever reason, I want to change what Maxoptra said and just drag it on like that. When I do that, what it tells me here with these indicators at the top is that I've now spent an extra £49. I've added 1 hour 47 minutes to the total duration of the schedule, and I've added 54 miles. So it's interesting to see how those manual changes can impact your order. Finally, little feature I'll quickly show you. Let's imagine this order here. I've just dragged it off. Let's imagine it's a late order. Maybe I've got a vehicle out and a late collection comes in. I can ask Maxoptra which is the best vehicle. Just click on Suggest Allocations, and Maxoptra will come up with a list for me, and I can sort those by cost, time, mileage, and in this instance I'm going to go for the cheapest option and simply allocate it. That's it. So really, really easy to manually adjust your plan once you've built it with Maxoptra. So thank you very much for your time.